Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can check your order status on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm using the web version, however, the same applies for the mobile version as well. All you need to do is just find your orders, and on the mobile version, you do that by clicking on the U icon, which is at the bottom middle of your screen. It's sort of a silhouette of a person, and you just click on that. It says U right below it. And once you're there, you just need to find your orders tab, click on it, and you'll go into your orders. On the PC, it's a bit easier, or on the web version. If you're using the web version, I'm pretty sure you can use it on the mobile as well. And what you need to do is just hover over orders and account and click on your orders, or you can just click on orders and account, and it'll immediately take you to your orders as well. Now, you'll see all orders here in the all orders tab. Pretty much, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to see which step of the process they're currently in from here. However, you also have the processing tab, the ship tab, the deliver tab, and the returns tab. And depending on the stage of the order, they will be placed in these segments accordingly. If it's still being processed, you'll just see it under the process tab and you won't be able to see any additional information as far as I'm aware, not even the tracking number. However, if it has been shipped, you will be able to select whichever order you're interested in tracking and click on the track button at the right side of your screen. And once you do that, you'll get the tracking number as well as any other details relevant to that order. And once it's delivered, of course, it should be delivered into your to your address, and you pretty much don't have to check the status anymore. If it says delivered and it hasn't been delivered, you can contact Temu and they will be able to give you a refund or tell you where the error has happened. And otherwise, if it's been confirmed that it has been delivered to your address, then somebody else probably stole it if you can't find it. However, pretty much this is how you check your status. Just check through these tabs, filter the orders, and see where the order you're interested in is segmented or sectioned. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.